It is in the Factories Goa Amendment Bill 1948. It is Goa amendment for the ease of doing the business. State NSS cell in the state of Goa for the recruitment of the staff for the state and the creation of the post for the state NSS cell. NSS वेगळो एस्टाब्लिश केला त्याच्या खातीर सेपरेटली स्टाफ आणि हेचे सगळे रिक्रूट करपाक गोवा पब्लीक सर्व्हिस कमिशनचो रिपोर्ट 24-25 दवरलो तो असेंब्लीत दवरतले. अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ द कंसल्टंट स्टाफ and on the contract basis under the Directorate of Health Services. 10 physician, 10 orthopedician, 10 anesthetist, 10 staff nurse, anesthesia technicians. एक जॉब सगळे
टोटल कितना
टोटल जवळपास
1 year contract.
What is the filling of the new post?
Doctor
सगळे डॉक्टर्स फक्त 100. Of River and Navigation Department as the head of the department of under rules of the GRDP, Department of the Inland Waterways into the two separate departments. Captain of Portaja under the River and Navigation, that Department of Ways, one separate department करून त्या काही छोटीच केलं.
Inland River Navigation असं आहे
ना Inland Waterways. There is extension the staff cost extension in the tenure of the period of the 1 year by engaging the additional retired officer upon the ratio of the clearance of the pension cases. The extension pension salary. Proposal of the appointment of the one additional embryologist in the Department of the in the Goa Medical College, Bangoli. Creation of the 13th post education. Extension of the okay, approval of the pattern of assistance in the Goa Tourism Board by notification. Proposal for the undertaken Sports Authority of Goa towards the sanctioning of the catering services to provide the KELO India. Post facto approval. Small amount. Small amount. 39,74,000. Goa Animal Breeding Domestic and Regulations Bill 2025. एक कैबिनेट करना असेंबली Goa and Domestications, Regulations and Compensations Bill 2025.
Yes, we have not because of those
It is for the तुझे रोटवाइलर आणि पिटबुल पूर्णतः
म्हणजे बंदी घालतात रोटवाइलर आणि
रोटवाइलर and pitbull. Allotment of the land of 2,440 square meter for the Babasaheb Ambedkar Bhavan. Cabinet creation and continuation of the 4 contractual posts in the IT startup promotion cell.
sir, land Babasaheb Bhavan.
Parwari, that's Babasaheb Ambedkar Bhavan. Approval of creation of the various posts in the Goa Dental College and Hospital. Total post 10 सगळे डॉक्टर्स at a various level, professor of the orthopedic, post-orthodontic, oral medicine and radiological surgery. सगळे. Creation of the additional post in the Department of the Environment and Climate Change. Scientific officer आणि बाकी creation तर नंबर आता ना माझ्याकडे. Proposal for the Goa Vehicle Authentication Goan system behalf of the Goa Police Department, the Government of Goa under the revenue sharing model. Signals. गोवा मान ताजे अंडर एक under that act. Transfer of government land admiring 800 square meter under the survey number 46 to a village pet name for the Ministry of the Health and Family Welfare for the Government of India, New Delhi, for the setting up of the NCDS at a community health center in L2M. Government of India च्या Departmental दिलाय. Second. आणि legislative assembly from the 21st to the 8th. 8 August. हांव मुख्यमंत्री नाचना तूं मातसो खोलायेन वचून पळय जेका जमीन डिफरंट जाग्याचेर ती केसी चालू आहा ताका फंड अलॉटमेंट पासून बाकीचे हांवूच जाल्यार हांव कित्याक हाडीन म्हाका प्रोजेक्ट एखादो जाल्लो तयार
तो जागो दोग जाण क्लेम करतात.
हय तेंच्या ज्या हय गोमंतक गौड मराठा समाज हांच्या कडेन दिल्या त्या भितर not only technical, it is a legal problem. That is, it is not technical. त्या फक्त परमिशन दिवपाक जाय जाल्यार हांव तेजे कोर्ट घालपाक लायता तुमकां. ताजे नेक्स्ट टायम एक्सप्लेन चलो ताजे नेक्स्ट टायम एक्सप्लेन चलो तुका सांगता जालें ओके चलो तूं ब्रीफ करता पळय चलो तूं ब्रीफ करता पळय सांगता बस करून सो कोण सांगतलो पयलीं